National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Geary County, southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, eastern Morris County, Waubonsee County, northwestern Lyon County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. George to 4 miles northwest of Volham to 4 miles east of Parkerville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Council Grove, Alma, Eskridge, Americus, Alta Vista, Dwight, McFarland, Texaco, Allen, Bushall, Dunlap, Council Grove Lake, and Volland. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 313 and 340. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the 9